How to fix Instagram filters not working. Hello guys. So all what you have to do is just go to settings on your phone and then scroll down until you find the apps right here, and then go to the apps. Now on this page that you will find here you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it like this. Now here you will find all your Instagram app informations on your phone. Just click on the first stop option here, the first one, and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to disable it and enable it again. And go back, click on the permissions and make sure to enable those permissions like me, and make sure that storage is enabled. Go back again and this time go to the data usage and scroll down, make sure to enable uh, all those options, and then go back. Now the last one is click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and go back. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. If it's not, then all what you have to do is just make sure to update your Instagram on Play Store. Like this. Very easy and simple. So yeah guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.